those joined in holy matrimony today. Jam or Jam, wish you both God's blessing in your finest hour and in days to come. For today, you will remember for the rest of your lives the meaning of the Samoan wedding song. Ia manuia leo ngali fo. Standing by in the aisle of love.
Pape le na una o muti elisa. Pape na fo ilo una no Facebook ai o ila khani. Ma ia manuia le sautina. God bless you.
Lo tau tonga Pesini a pe moni lo alafa. Proclaim my love at the altar of our dreams. In sickness and in health, my unconditional love for you. Famana tuai olata also fia ufapaya ina ola umamalea etuina ilolima famana tuai Sofia, ufapaya ina. This is my Samoan wedding song, to play with my eternal love, sung straight from the heart. Oh my, lau tau tonga, feeling ia pe moni lo alofa. Proclaim my love at the altar of your dreams. In sickness and in health, my unconditional love for you. Ola umamalea etuina ilolima famana tuai olata also fia ufapaya ina ola umamalea etuina ilolima famana tuai olata also fia ufapaya